San Bravo, we're reading 70 bogeys in your sector. Please verify.
Very funny, Station. That's a big negative, over.
Yeah, might be a glitch in one of the ACS modules.
San Bravo, be advised, running diagnostics to scan for malfunction.
The skies are clear, Station. You've got yourself some phantom dots. Over.
Zulu X-Ray 6, signs in your sector of some 100 bogeys. Please advise.
Negatory, Station. Scope is clear. I don't know what to tell you. The solar interference, heavy sunspot activity today.
Sierra Delta, we may have a minor ACS fault here. Do you have anything on your scope?
They're everywhere!
Sierra Delta, repeat.
I'm looking at fighter jets over I-95! How the hell did they get through?
Stand by, attempting to contact the nearest unit in that sector.
I read you. This is 1st Battalion, 75th Ranger Regiment. Sergeant Foley, acting commander of Hunter 2-1. Do you copy? Over.
All stations be advised. Satellite surveillance has been disabled. SOSUS and paid pause arrays are inoperative at this time.
My sector's gonna fall within the hour. We've lost contact with the ambulance. Where's the air support? Counter battery fire is unable to engage. Enemy paratroopers have infiltrated their positions. We are cut off. I repeat, we are cut off. We got a BTR. Get out! Get out! Team, let's go! Overlord, this is Hunter 2-1, requesting air support. Over. Hunter 2-1, all air support is already engaged. Additional ground support is en route to your position, but has encountered heavy resistance. Over.
Roger that, Overlord. Be advised, we have encountered enemy armor and are proceeding on foot. Over.
Overlord copies all. Good luck. Out.
Sarge, did HQ just tell us to go F ourselves?
Hold your fire. Don't engage that BTR. You haven't acquired us. Hang right. Stay behind it.
I got a visual on the smoke coming from the crash site. That's where Raptor went down.
We're spotted. Ramirez, use your smoke grenade. John Morgan, cover him. Throw a smoke grenade on the BTR.
Вражеская техника и вертолеты замечены в 15 километрах рядом с шоссе.
Use the cover of the smoke to run past the BTR into the alley. Ramirez, come to the alley.
Cover me.
Holy! Contact, you want to swap?
Roger, target. Hey, your fire.
He's off the mark!
I can't get a shot.
Они хотят обойти его! Атакуйте их справа и попробуйте взять пленного! Они атакуют в стену!
Incoming. Truck, 12 o'clock.
Вызывайте подкрепление! Нам нужно еще...
Contact by the taxi.
I have a target!
Этому бойцу нужен врач! Контакт, пожалуйста! Впереди солдаты! Противник! Принял! Пишу его и тело! Я не хочу их Contact by the black car! Они атакуют слева! Да, я его вижу! They're breaking from cover! Убейте его! Let's go!
Воздушная поддержка в пути!
Враг! Нам нужен врач! Ramirez!
On me!
Line him up!
Go, go, go!
Private! Give me a sit rep. Where's Raptor?
We moved into the meat locker! It's practically bulletproof!
What's his status?
Still unconscious! You got a medic?
Corporal Dunn, check it out. What else?
We got a supply drop on the roof with an M5 sentry gun!
Ramirez! Get to the roof and check out the supply drop. What about entertainment? Air support.
We're all out!
Roger that.
Ramirez, use the ladder in the kitchen and get to the roof. Heads up, ladies. We got trucks to the south.
They're using smoke to cover their advance!
Squad, this is Hunter 2-1 actual. Switch to thermal optics if you got them.
Emsley!
Incoming from the south. 2 plus foot mobiles.
Cover me!
Tango's on the roof behind us. Contact with the Queen.
Incoming! North side!
Roger that.
Contact to the north!
Team, we got contacts to the north. Team, shift your fire north.
They're laying down smoke screen to the north!
Roger. Switch to thermal if you got it.
Tango's next to Nate's restaurant!
Our perimeter is breached.
Этому бойцу нужен...
Hostiles on the roof. Come around.
Looks like Ivan's had enough. Corporal Dunn, Give me a sitrep on Raptor. Over.
Raptor is secure and stable.
Roger that. Everyone, check your weapons and ammo. They'll be back. 2-1 Delta, be advised. 2 BTRs coming in from the north.
Roger that. What the hell was that?
Get down off the roof now! Ramirez, get the fuck off of the roof! Get down off the roof now!
I got a contact by the white truck!
Get down! One of the BTRs has a visual on you!
У них нательная броня, стреляйте бронебойными.
Get behind something solid! That BTR's got you in his sights! Take cover! That BTR spotted you!
I have a target! Grenade, get out of there!
Ramirez, neutralize that enemy armor! Good effect on target. That's a kill. One more to go. Waste that BTR now! Ramirez, take cover! You want Axel, you still there? Roger that. Everyone, listen up. New plan. Ramirez, take your team and secure the Burger Town. We're gonna move Raptor over there. This location has been compromised. Everyone else, listen up. We're moving Raptor ASAP. Stack up by the south entrance of Nate's. We need to get the hell out of this building before those fast movers make another pass. Ramirez, we still got hostiles near the Burger Town. We need to move.
Ramirez! Hostiles inside Burger Town!
Сержант, что слышно на правом фланге?
Ramirez, we need to move that VIP now. Clear that restaurant.
They're defending!
Ramirez, we need to move Raptor now. Clear that restaurant.
Что слышно на правом фланге?
Ramirez! Target
Squad, be advised. We're gonna move Raptor from Nate's to the Burger Town as a group.
Ramirez! Hostiles in the taco joint parking lot!
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go!
Tango! Taco to go!
I can't get a shot. Team, this way. Let's go. Let's go.
Keep these guys off of me!
Tango down.
Squad, I've made it to the Burger Town meat locker. Raptor is inside and secure. Friendly convoy is Oscar Mike.
Target acquired.
The door is shut. You guys keep Ivan out.
Roger, tracking.
Target by the black hatchback!
У нас нисколько убитых, а все под контролем.
Be advised, Hunter 2-1, you have an enemy patrol by that bank to the north. Over.
Ramirez! Use the remote-controlled Predator missiles. We got incoming infantry. Keep them away from Burger Town.
10+ KIAs. Good hit. Good hit.
I see a guy near the Burger Town side!
I got eyes on target.
Contact outside Nate's restaurant!
Они атакуют слева.
Contact outside Nate's restaurant! Don't have a shot!
2-1, Hunter 4 has a visual on a hostile group near the Nova gas station. Over.
Ramirez! We got hostiles! Use your Predator drone control rig to protect Raptor!
Hunter 2-1, Hunter 4 has a visual on a hostile group near the Nova gas station. Over.
Ramirez! We got hostiles! Use your Predator drone control rig to protect Raptor!
Oh man, that's at least 10 more confirms, Hunter 2-1. Good shooting.
Слушаюсь. Меняю обойму. Мы находимся под плотным огнем противника. Прошу бомбовый удар в квадрат 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 1.
Hunter 2-1, this is Overlord Actual. We're seeing a large group of enemy reinforcements to your north. Over.
Я пустой! Заряжаю!
Someone just took out our Predator!
Be advised! The Predator is offline! I repeat, the Predator is offline!
Contact 12 o'clock! Невозможно поразить цель!
Штаб направил к нам истребители 102-й диверсионной дивизии. Перехожу на другую позицию.
Убей одного слева, а ты займись тем, что справа. Противник прямо перед тобой. Впереди солдаты противника! Замечены в 15 километрах рядом с шоссе.
Hunter 2-1, this is Overlord. We got a visual on a pair of enemy attack helicopters headed for your area. Over.
Solid copy, Overlord. Team, take down that helicopter. Go! Team, I saw a Stinger missile in that diner to the west.
Находимся под плотным огнем противника. Прошу бомбовый удар.
There's a Stinger missile in that stockpile to the west. Nice work.
That heli is down. Hunter 2-1, Goliath 1 has a visual on a hostile patrol coming from the southeast, over.
I'm tracking him!
Hunter 2-1, relay from Goliath 1, you've got an enemy helicopter loaded for bear approaching your area, over.
Eyes up! Enemy gunship coming in hot!
The second helo just showed up, take it down! Team, I saw a couple of stingers on the roof of Nate's.
Сержант, возьми двух тут и попробуй прорваться к воротам в том районе. Давай! Кидаю гранату!
There's stingers on the roof of Nate's restaurant. Nice work. That heli is down. The convoy's here. Everyone on me. We're getting the hell out of here. Let's go. Let's go. Ramirez, the convoy is just to the south of Burgertown. Get your ass over here. Move!
Cover me!
Ramirez, we gotta get back to the convoy. Let's go!
Огонь на подавление!
The convoy's here. Everyone on me. We're getting the hell out of here. Let's go. Let's go. Hunter 2-1, this is Overlord. Give me a sit rep, over. Overlord, Hunter 2-1. Be advised. Precious cargo is secure. Repeat, precious cargo is secure. We're Oscar Mike. Overlord copies all. Good job. Out. Squad, we still got 2,000 civvies in Arcadia. If you got a family there, it's your lucky day. We're gonna go save their lives.